Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Brave keeps logging me out. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Brave browser on your device. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. From the left sidebar, click on Autofill and Passwords. Next, click on Password Manager. Once you're in the Password Manager, click on Settings again. Now, find the Sign In Automatically option. If this feature is turned off, that's likely why Brave keeps logging you out. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This setting allows Brave to keep you signed into your accounts automatically, preventing repeated logouts. Once enabled, your login sessions should remain active, and you won't need to keep entering your credentials each time you visit a site. This should completely resolve the issue of Brave logging you out unexpectedly. So that's basically how you can fix Brave keeps logging me out. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.